Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Arianna, and for those of you who aren't, welcome back. So nice to have you all here. I feel like this week is Women's Week on my channel. Pretty sure, yeah, because I had the Manière on Monday. I pronounced it correctly. I'm so proud of myself. I think I did.
If I didn't,
let me know. And then I have the Aleali May Jordan 1 Zoom Califia now. So yes, definitely a Women's Week, but I'm very happy for it because it should always be like that, in my opinion. I don't know. So these released April 26th for the retail price of $140, and my mom's app actually hit on them. So I'm very happy to open these up now. So let's take a quick look. This is one of those boxes that you gotta pull. This box is really cool. I really like the packaging that she did for this. It matches the shoe, so, and it has her signature on it, which I love. I've never had an Aleali May shoe before, sadly. I would really love to get a couple of her pairs. I really like her. I think that her design is amazing, and you know, her influence in the sneaker community as a woman is pretty incredible. So it's very nice to have at least one pair of her shoes. You also have the paper with all of this cool like logos and her signature. Really awesome touch. Additional paper. Ooh, the smell. Love it. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Wow. And these came with 4 pairs of laces, which is really nice. Hang on, let me get the other shoe out. Here they are. Okay, I love the colors. Honestly, when I first saw this, I wasn't sure because the height of this shoe is a lot taller than your average Jordan 1, which is a lot, I think, but the materials on this are very nice, I have to say. It feels really soft on the toe box. As you can see, mine's already kind of crinkly. It looks already sort of creased. The leather on the upper, everything is chef's kiss. The tongue, wow. On the Nike sneakers app, she did a behind the scenes, behind the design of the shoe, and she discusses a little bit more of why she made it this way. But the overarching takeaway that I got from this was that it was all about confidence in herself and confidence at a younger age, and women supporting women at a younger age. So I think that's great. I love the story behind that. I'm all about that. So this is a really awesome story behind the shoe, and I really do like the colors. In hand, the materials are really, really nice. I like that you have this satin material up on the ankle of the shoe. You also have the satin going down a little bit further underneath these little flaps here. You have that really nice blue leather across pretty much the entirety of the shoe. The green leather on the toe box, as I already said, is really nice and soft. I like this like shearling, yeah, it's like a shearling logo instead of the logo. You also have her signature on the back. You have this cream tongue with Zoom Air, which I really like the leather of this. And you have the A, I don't know if you can see it, right where the laces are. And on the bottom, I believe this is, I'm not really too familiar with the Jordan 1 Zooms, but I think that this is because of the different sole that is in there. I'll have to look it up and put some information down below. But I like that you have that yellow contrast. Is really nice with this shoe. And the cream, like kind of not aged, I wouldn't say, but this cream midsole. So super, super nice shoe. I really, really like the colors that she went for, and I think that the materials are really nice on this. I love the color options for the laces. I would honestly opt to do the cream. I think that would look really good with it, and I've seen a couple people do that. There's one picture of this girl that was on the Kick Check, I think, yeah, the Kick Check for the sneakers app, and I'll put a picture here. Looked stunning in it, and I really loved the way that she styled the shoes. I'm gonna try and style these today and put that up on my Instagram. For those of you who aren't following me yet, I'll put my little handle here. Please go give it a follow, and you can see all different ways that I style my sneakers. So with that being said, let me get into the up close and on feet of this shoe.
Just let go.
holding back each other and the things we do. It's all so blue. Yeah, what if we could grow just like the flowers through the concrete? Just you and me. Just let go. Just let go.
Guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know if you guys picked this up. Did you? Were you able to hit on the sneakers app? Let me know if you paid resell, because resell is not very high for these. People were either loving or hating them. There was literally no in between. So let me know what you guys thought of these again. And if you did style these, make sure to check out my Instagram and tag me in it, because I'd love to see the way that you guys styled them. If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to be part of our family. I'd love to have you here. With that being said, I hope you guys have a great week, a great weekend, a great weekday, whatever day it may be. And I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.